Chapter 4, the stakeholder map. So the stakeholder map is, in order to get adult money, we're going to have to make connections. We're going to have to build relationships between and among many different groups. We're going to have to build relationships at the manager level. We're going to have to build relationships at the leader level. We're going to have to build relationships across departments, at the executive level, and maybe even ultimately position it at the CEO level, or the chief executive level. So this is why this is important, that if we are after adult money, these are the things that we're going to need to do. So a stakeholder map is a model really to help you navigate that, and that's really all it is. If you think about it in a lightweight way as an asset based on these inputs, it's very valuable. If you think about it more as something bigger than that, then it's not valuable. So the way that we're visually representing that construct is down at the bottom is a code based on different stakeholder roles, from sales all the way to human resources. What that is less important in this video. And what we want to do is we want to highlight a representative example for any one situation. What are the roles that are typically impacted? And that's really what we're doing with a role map, is to identify or model out high percentage shots about the stakeholders who are going to be involved in certain situations. So questions about the stakeholder map. What is it? It is a representation of an organizational chart to help you think through complex relationships. What it is not an organizational chart. If you have an organizational chart of your client, please use that and cross-reference it, and use it because the way that we've designed the stakeholder map allows you to help identify or think through what those connections might look like. If you can make your own version of a stakeholder map with actual real organizational data, you're going to be far better off. Number two, what is it? It is a way for us to predict who will be involved and how those people will see us, see OmniTracks, or see the situation. We can take high percentage shots of anticipating how they're going to react to us. But it is not a replacement for actual real world information. It can't possibly be. This is a tool to help us predict and plan and organize things by. It is not meant to replace any discovery that you've got. So it's just sort of model, just like no one expects you to follow the exact script of value selling. You're supposed to it's a representative format to help you think about how to provide a script. It's the same thing. A stakeholder map is a model to help you think about it. If you know a company inside and out really cold, then use your own org chart. But know that all of the other tools that we're doing for the Routes to Value program are key to this construct. What is it? It's a model to help us group impacts by people, not by products. One of the things, what it is not a replacement of the 3-2-1 buyer map. You still need to do your own homework. So what does this mean? What we are looking to do is move away from organizing the conversational content that you have about OmniTracks products and services to make you learn every single product. What we're doing is flipping it around and organizing the benefits to key stakeholders so that you can concentrate more on learning about the companies that you're dealing with, and then get the information that way. So those are the key points about a stakeholder map.